He will not look at the bowler, he'll just look at the ball, and if it's there to be smashed, he'll do exactly that.
Well, you deserve everything, spectators. They have come all the way to enjoy this cricket, and they have enjoyed to the maximum. A little bit of room, created a room for himself, and thrown that heavy bat on the ball. Beautiful shot.
Well, the run rate required now is under 5. 4.97. Wakar, it was almost 8 at one stage. Straight down the ground, and don't bother, just fetch it. There was a long on and a long off, but they were mere spectators.
Shiva, do you really think the run rate really mattered to this man? I don't think so. There's a man there, a deep mid-off, and that one smashed over him. And have a look at the previous 6 he hit. Look at the energy he's gathering here. Plenty of power coming from the back, hamstring, forearms, wrist, all together.
Could be a chance. No, it isn't. And exactly, now we know what his plans are. If he plays 15 balls, then there is trouble for the opposition, Dhoni.
Well, he proved it today, that's for sure. Exactly the 16th ball, he just went for it. Well, it's good. It's working for him. It's working for India. 18 required. Win the game. No problem. Last 10 overs, 95 runs been given away.
It's a good delivery under pressure from the young medium pacer, Mohammad Asif. Maybe just a little too late. A hint of reverse as well.
Little too late. I think it's very late. Good delivery, but Pakistan need maybe a hat-trick here. Might do. Well, I'm not really sure about that also.
I do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Right into the block hole, and he wants to hit it over wide long on for a 4 or a 6.
10 runs have come from the very first 2 deliveries and then 3 dot deliveries. And look at the strike rate, 117.6.
Oh, cracking shot. Ends the over with a boundary. It's 273 for 2. So India had a terrific over the last